Hey, what's going on YouTube? My name is Laz from High Kicks Custom, and today I'm going to do my first unboxing of Angelus products. I have never ordered from them, so I'm very excited to see what I got here. First of all, cool little sticker. Some instructions here. And on to the good part. So I got an assortment of colors based on designs that I have already done on my Instagram and some clients that have requested a few things. So let's see what we got. So we got Too Soft, acrylic matte finisher, and the holy grail, duller. Leather prepare and deglazer. Some black, flat black. This is awesome. Water state and repellent. Very important to finish your products off. It's a beautiful color, hot pink. Dirty yellow. Dirty yellow. Ooh, this looks nice. Some lilac. Beautiful color. I'm gonna make a shoe with these colors here. It's actually for my niece. The hot pink lilac, the violet, and the petal pink. I'm gonna make a shoe with these colors. It's gonna be an Air Force One. I'm excited for that. Some blue. Dark blue. Red. This one's beautiful, scarlet red. And last but not least, light blue. Neon Jamaican Joy, and navy blue. These are all the colors that I got so far. I'm excited to start. I have this pair of Air Max's 90s that are my next shoes to customize, and that one is gonna be with the blue and the dark blue. I have a post on this on my Instagram at high_kicks with a Z_custom. So follow me if you can, and whenever I get started on these shoes, I'll go ahead and do a video about that. Thank you so much. I hope I'm able to help somebody or inspire somebody, and just keep on designing.